Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable dark mode in Galaxy A06 device. So for this guys, first of all, just go to settings and here scroll so that we have an option of display. Just tap on a display. So as you see on the upper top, we have option of light and dark. So if you want to enable dark mode so that we can select dark mode and then your phone will be on dark mode, and if you want to disable it, so all you guys have to do just do it to light so that your phone will be converted into light mode. Guys, we can also set dark mode setting by using schedule. Right, if you want a schedule that if you want your phone on a dark mode at 6 p.m. and after that disable the dark mode at 10 a.m., so you can also use this feature by sunset to sunrise and custom schedule. So that's how we can enable or disable dark mode in Galaxy A06 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.